Yeah, my name is Adam Khan. I'm from Level, town in Sosavu, and I'm growing up with the Bay, and currently living in Australia, Brisbane, Queensland. Came from a league background. In grade seven, I was shout out to Mr. Ebbett, my teacher at Melbourne State High School. I got I got played at rugby sevens, got up there rugby sevens academy in Melbourne State High, and then yeah, just came through rugby league, and then just switched to union this year, and then now playing at Brothers Club at Brisbane. And yeah, now I'm picking rugby union as my future path. I think it motivated me because probably because of going far with rugby union, like league. Yeah, I was going far with it, but nah, I enjoy union a bit more and stuff like that. So yeah. Oh, I feel very grateful. I feel very grateful representing my home country, and yeah, I'm just very happy to be back. Seeing a couple of local boys as well, some new boys, just getting to know each other, to play well together, and yeah, just gelling in, and yeah, very grateful. It was a great experience, good learning experience for me and the boys as well. Uh, yeah, unlucky we didn't get the result that we wanted, but I was very proud of the boys. They played really well, and they enjoyed it. My goal is just just focus on this comp coming up next week. Just play my best, and hopefully I get a contract. And yeah, but to me, it's just focusing on this game and get this first win. And yeah, can't wait to play home game in Nandi.